Enti me very sure say munyina mate say enra OSP ebeyi Ken Ofori dini every wanted list ni mu. Na eno na Twene Jonas adadwene ho a wo se onte ase.
Enu na menti ase na meju ho. I don't take madness. I don't take far.
Onte ase say adan na OSP ebeyi Ken Ofori every wanted list ni mu. Enti no in fact wabeke kanadwa kire OSP pa Twene Jonas ekire mu say OSP eya kromfo na wakakwaje bribe. Enti na wabeyi Ken Ofori din every wanted list ni mu. Aha e Penyah blog media mesere wa so be like video na wa or subscribe button na be click notification icon. Now be kire wadwen ama me e comment section but more than this video ma wunya so enya bi hwe. It for sure about 2 weeks ago ana Kwasea Jaben that is OSP ebe declare Ken Ofori wanted and fugitive.
Ladies and gentlemen of the media, the OSP declares Ken Ofori a wanted person. He is a fugitive from justice. The OSP will take all necessary legal steps to secure his return to the jurisdiction and attendance at the OSP. And this is to Mr. Ofori. You have two choices. You can either return to the jurisdiction voluntarily or the OSP will enforce your return.
I hold the amount for ho da eti enwa nopa in parliament ana afenya marking ema ne to parliament house no animu say oni Ken Ofori di nkomo na Ofori kire mu say nyame adma eye memu what I say memu obeba Ghana enu achi no ana hu say statement bi eba bontana a free office or a special prosecutor aye Kwasea Jaben awo kire mu say ne because of that so we take time wa Ken Ofori eba Ghana there any where Ken Ofori every wanted list so he is no longer a wanted person and a fugitive because now no when assurance da Ken Ofori eba Ghana na eno na chese Twene Jonas adagene ho se da bi menti asem na se what declare obi wanted and fugitive se owi oman sika ye hia no se ye ne be twin komo o mechiri lo diska ne ye nsan kan bakro unya no nipa wa bo oman kro no wawi oman sika adwane ye what declare wanted and fugitive e dey biem o maaye we ni free wanted list to in fact Twene Jonas abeke kanadwene pa tan ada kire OSP.
Yo, abusianfo na mo saying. And I mean, me to koya me ko baby akoya money moves big but and news na hit me hard say OSP for no Kwasea for almost your mad drop I my remove I know wanted another Ken Ofori so na ma jimi sa e better no be afam serious or mine na ma jimi sa obi awi ade obi wi kromfo a you don't treat the person say I say ye hia nipa no ye ne ye pa na che so me ya ade mai no say tama me ho beto me no me a me de me date ne me tambe bada bi obi ye kromfo a you treat the person as a criminal we criminal and what say I boy ya I friend Michael Blancy was one akwa bi no be ne nam Ghana ho a o say si a o ba bi si school dan o Ghana ho yi friend ever I Michael Blancy was one was it si o NDC ni why because Ken Ofori tawi ani sika mu nyina mu gu Ghana o mu nim sa akwa na wia Ghana fo nyina sika tidi enti na mo gimi sa na nipa na wanted fugitive am be me akwa che no mo de force ebe chi Ghana hospital ni ho adan na bibini ya Kwasea mugu parliament o ministers amugo nyina jimi fo nko a Kwasea fo mpanifo ye nya munyansa bia ni mutim kromfo you treat the kromfo as kromfo ama jimi ya semu amadwene mo ho amentima se you don't entertain kromfo Matuko amiko we Kwasea bi na Kwasea me o cast bebrebe de mpena metwi ene different one bi na metwi o cast bebrebe nti ba bi o amiko amempese obi abehu ba bi amena eti se mu yesa obi anim se magimi enti by office I OSP for no obi anim se mu ya mo next time obi anim obefam serious bio I'm telling you the fact next time obi anim wa obedan obefam serious bio Etimuni mamufa mu Jimmy nkofa ni pane na mumeji Ghana fo sika momo na munya Jimmy no Kwasea fo ya to aba mam the taxpayers money etuamka na obi ya kromfo mu nkochi na se bribe no mafa tira kwaji o se senye o adan ma Jimmy sa bibi ni kwa de ewiase ba kwa e bai nipa jimi sa nkofo we oma ba nkokurafo sika guom bank account mu no ma ba be wi akokurafo no akokura ne wonyo mobo abrowa ne wonyo mobo enti sika no ma wi an ewo he ena adwoma ma se oba betua nkofo akinofo atawi omusika no enye na American ni a ono ba Ghana oyi ba se o ma betina brochire manye sika me mesi school dan na me muwa no man ni nye me mfa sika meto Ghana na me mfa school dan na me si no menyi school fees me mfa sika no to na me mfa feedi enkura no school akofo ado ni kinofo atawi sika no ni buafu o me o se o magana kura bio ena Mahama ba se obetu obi asika kinofo atawi ayo ena akwa na begina so ya NDC no na MPP for de nyam betuam kamatena ma enipa bone for free chebi ene o mabusuamfo abegu party kakrakawe enti saa no enti mo nananom bre nyina ye kwana mo nananom bre nyina aye kwana mo nananom ebre enyina aye kwana moa abibini bigbini jimie obi wi abode na police for omo den ni asomata court for jimi for ni asomani akoche no kom 15 years obi wi a oman sika nyina de yi levy agi sika waji sika waji yi levy wan fa sika na meyahwe wo man num omra na omebu akonta mo se dabi esi a ono no kromfo no time ono ape no ono mfa mera time ono ape wa ma date kromfo ben na timi ma date say obi wi ade a obi a wa ma date ye say obi a I suspect bi a oye ebi asem bi asi ni afro bi say omra no meyere omra me chirechire mo ebi a ohun bi oye witness bi safo no ne ye ma mo date say time a mo pe no na time a mo be ready na ma ba police station na nye obi oye fugitive a wa wi o man ni nyina sika where aye first na cathedral ya omuji sika yi se omutuetua sika omutua baakofo eti Ghana hoje 5 billion 10 billion a month sika na nipa ne je no cathedral ne forest swimming pool enti sika no kinofo atetua ma nipa no se onfa sika ne nya de ade omra mechete taxpayers money baakofo awie sika ne nyina na mu jimi sa adan na mpanifo ye nya mu nyina mu ye nkwasiafo adan na Ghana mpanifo mu ye mwa enti sa na broni ajimia enka be na nikura ye nipa ne si oba be si wanwanwan hospital ne akufo ado oma jisika enye sika tele na se hospital no ma nsi a na omo nsi hospital ne ba akokura mun ko fa nipa ne mra se o si hospital na nke obenya hospital ma na ahwe ne ho yale wo Ghana ho adan na majimi enkanaman empanifo ye nyam achimifo enkwasiafo empanifo obisi I fire kwase empanyin na o de blog kwasea obi batwem no oni de ma menya no ne ho mobo masa broken heart ni depression afa no me de ya to talk us na me twuma de empa na me twi enti ono na asem de ma mfa to onye obi he's nobody but I say next time no na me ka chewe Ghana ni ubedura brochira wunya sika fa koye investment ade a eye odia eye car mato medine da so title krame if ya mato medine da so title krame ba se me tue sika matwe han sika han dan ema oba ni na busuamfo gum no you are just an ATM machine for the family. You are just an ATM machine for the family. Odobia ni babia tiria mecho no enti sa Kwasea no ohwe na bank account ma e zero na se ohwe se wase lusu chana esi Kwasea bi na ebefa akọwa one hwe wabeda square one won enti se who live that type of Jimmy life na da bia bebre o wi asenti ono pressure any ayina ama afano no to a odi matem enti se o musu Kwasea nto odi matem anya me enfa me ho ena ese ne ma mehia no ena Twene Jonas ho bon Ghana fo ni hia Twene Jonas ne ho bon be ma bia e wo se ho bon tiria mecho no be ma bia e wo se ho bon as long as o mu hia me na me nko wi ade me yen che me na se me ho ne bon a be ma bia e wo se ho bon me be ma a wo ho mo a da bia wa dress asiesie wo ho abie spray we kwalunto be ma wo se ho bon e wo se so ya machi na ko giram atim fifire ma ho bon amotrum bon
Now she says sikagu accounts, that is a bema. That is your job. Oba and on west and who you hear spray, perfume chichi powder, say be a bema be pen, oh bema or baby a mepel, uncopel bia, into ourselves who born as sikagu accounts, a better than say who him, na capri new accounts, who him now ni capra, we are poor, and to where she am and I'm home born, and until I be ni bread over America, India for, China for, other countries, so many millionaires, I didn't hear and Nippon in it me quite die back, no millionaire. But some is one no material $200. No my pocket your music and your savings, no me akot to fee. Be niba on twinning in the answer. Oh, I see my single bone, I see my say what Jimmy is abwa until me not tamo. No me na so music and your $5,000 a month, $6,000 a month, into better 20 years on to fee back Okrada. India ni baba 5 years no fee me and son. Be niba in America 20 years, 40 years. Ultimate to few America. I mean, I can't on my council. It me home born na misika. I I'm a match BMW. Now, why you ham? Na one capre. As I say, Sika coma a check. Na a check a do sika na pressure foul. Na muffy. Na to rosu. With the black eyes blog share the chim. No balance of it now. Said ye, me buy me name and the eyes blog share me chimino. Nisika nashi, Atika. Some Kwasea life. I don't live like that. I am telling you the reality. Into my meno, me say she ana me say man a picture free. Or me share me a Ghana for me mama picture free. I don't care what they gonna say about me. I do not care. I do not. I'm chilling. I'm enjoying being rich. I'm sorry. It is what it is. My money is in my pocket. In Kutiache, I can show you my bank account. Me to BM competition. Me only mansions upon mansions in the United States. Me mansion the Adisika Ketwa Breme. $60,000 a month. $60,000 a month. $60,000 a month. And to me buy and buy spray, emia perfume go me won say me humbe hwam na a 20 me humbe hwama enka say me bread say wa me da so high nine ka say me dwene boso me beso o me da nya skate ya me nine ka apoa.
These are the words expressed by Twene Jonas himself. I would tell him say OSP corrupt, wakwa jiska, wa pass back door, akwa jiska free MP before no. And when you so area Ken Ofori free wanted is no on TV that. Say declare be be wanted. Nipona declare wanted and fugitive no to meet da or no beba. Say the declare be wanted court. Then back to meet any panic to meet the comma court say me back court no that say. Na court edge na so wanted less nothing back cross there. Or see a more realm on TRC, it in fact, wabe fire pa. Ube to actually argue in comment section. Do you agree with Twene Jonas and as on in the if you are in a comment section? How you pin up Black Media?